Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a Junior 1 class and I am going to take science class, general science class for Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is water. Water is very important for our living. All living things need water. And so let's start today's class, student. Student, this is your science book and our today's topic is water. This is chapter 18 and this is page number 43. So let's start today's class, student. You can see here is the point, we need water to live. All living things need water. You can see here is the baby, the human being, and here is the plant and animals also need water for living. And water plays an important role in our daily life. Do you know when we sweat, we lose water from our body. We should replace this water by drinking 8 glasses water at least per day. So you should drink water properly. Our next point is 2 number. We need water for a lot of activities. Let's see what we need water for. First one, to drink. You can see this picture. We all need water. We need water to drink. Animals need water to drink. Next is taking a bath. You can see this picture. Here is the baby. He is taking bath. So we use water for taking bath. Next is watering plants. You can see this picture. He is watering plants in his garden. Next is cleaning our home. You can see this picture. He is cleaning his home. And next one is cooking food. You can see this picture. She is cooking and she is using water for cooking. And here she is washing her dishes with water, and we also use water for washing our clothes also. Student, now you can see this picture. We enjoy swimming. It is good exercise. Swimming is good exercise. And you can see this picture also. Animals also like to bath. You can see here is elephant. They are bathing, and here is a little bird. They also like to bath. Student, and do you know we only drink fresh water, and we get this fresh water from ponds, rivers and other sources. But sea water is salty. We can't drink sea water. We can only drink fresh water. And you can see this picture. Don't pollute the water. Sometimes when harmful ingredients mixed into the water, it will become polluted. So we should not throw wastage in our water, and we have to save our water. You can see this picture. Do not play with the water and don't waste water. Close the tap after using this tap. and use only as much water as you need. Dear student, now you can understand water is very important for our life and for remain alive. So, and now we have to do some exercise. We will do only one filling the blanks. Here is one filling the blanks. We need dash to drink. I know you can say this answer. We need dash to drink. We need water. Yes, answer will be water. Water spelling W-A-T-E-R, water. And the next exercise is one word answer. The question is, what do we need to drink? Answer is water. So we will write water. Water spelling again you say W-A-T-E-R, water. So that's it, dear student. And now you have to do SW, little bit SW. Your SW will be this one filling the blanks, this filling the blanks, and only one word answer, this one word answer. And remember that this is SW, 3 number SW, that means third number SW, and when you will write your SW, you can write third number SW on top of your copy. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit your SW every Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM. With the help of, you can submit this SW with the help of your guardian, or anyone can submit your SW. So dear student, stay home and safe. See you again in our next class. Till then, thank you.